Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, never ever paint fire alarms. Oh God, no. Don't ever do that. That's not good. Remember, if you break it, you have to replace it. It says, if you break it, you have to replace it. So, with the fire alarm, it says, if you paint it, you have to replace it. Never smash the fire alarm. You are responsible for replacing that because you're the one who broke it. So you are going to have to pay the money for a new alarm. Because you're the one who broke it. You tampered with it, you painted it, you smashed it. You are responsible for replacing that. It is your job to replace that because you're the one who broke it. If you don't want to go through any of those consequences, never ever mess with it. I am not responsible for your actions if you put people's lives at risk or if you break the alarm. I am not responsible for your actions if you get arrested, so don't even do it. Never pull the fire alarm for fun. Through never smash the fire alarm. I am not responsible for your actions if you pull the fire alarm for fun, vandalize the fire alarm, disable the fire alarm, or destroy the fire alarm. I am not responsible for your actions if you tamper with the fire alarm in any way. So don't do it. That is not smart. All that is very stupid and dumb. And tampering with the alarm puts other people's lives at risk. Remember, this saves lives. So do not mess with it.